Wir wenden uns nun sicherheitsrelevanten.
Now it's time to take a look at safety-related components. Such components must be made of materials of very high strength on the one hand, but which are very ductile on the other. These are two characteristics that in principle contradict each other, but the voestalpine PHS technology is capable of combining these two important properties.
Man sieht das hier an diesem Teil.
This component has been subjected to a crash. The material is highly crumpled, yet the finely adjusted and highly ductile boundary fiber ensures that the material does not tear open or split. Even though the material is highly crumpled, the steel itself doesn't tear apart. This achievement is made possible by the high bending angle of materials made using the PHS technology. This is the maximum angle that the material remains intact before it begins to tear. The bending angle can be theoretically calculated using this simple formula, but I won't do that. Instead, I'd like to illustrate it with another example from the kitchen.
In
order to roll up a roulade, you have to place it on a damp towel. The damp towel ensures that the edges of the roulade are adjusted properly. When I roll up the roulade, the material doesn't tear.
Wenn man das dann macht, sieht man, wie hier ein Ergebnis entsteht, ohne dass dabei irgendetwas aufreißt. Wenn ich mir die Roulade jetzt
Here you can see very clearly that the roulade was stretched to a great extent on the outside, but it didn't tear. It's highly crumpled on the inside, but it didn't tear anywhere there either.
Auch da ist nichts aufgerissen. Das ist genauso.
And this is exactly the way it works when you produce components using the PHS technology.
Hergestellt werden. Man kann sich das auch noch mal so angucken.
Components using this technology do not tear when they are highly compressed and crumpled.
Hier nicht auf.
This is especially important in crash-relevant components, which make cars much safer when they are involved in road accidents.
Straßenverkehr durch solche Materialien, wenn man sie einsetzt.
voestalpine, one step ahead.